Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wandari Ambarwati with ID study number B100210310358. I'm here to fulfill the final assignment of the International Marketing Management course. The article I will present is entitled Thus Engaging in Global Market Orientation Strategy Affects His Performance, the Mediating Roles of Intellectual Capital Readiness and Open Innovation. The first slide I displayed contained the summary of the article I was looking for. Using a sample 119 schools or faculties from the 15 best states and private universities from Indonesia based on Webometric 2021 FBF and structural equation models. Partial Square is used to explain the relationship between constitution struct and to test the studied hypothesis. One global market orientation strategy has a positive effect on PT performance. Two, intellectual capital readiness fully mediates the influence of global market orientation strategy on the PT performance. 3. Open innovation does not the influence of the global market oriented strategy on the PT performance. 4. Orientation strategy global market influence intellectual capital readiness, influence open innovation, but open innovation does not influence PT performance. On the second slide, it contains problem statement in the article that I have read. Because this research was conducted during a pandemic, this made a little difficult to interact with respondents and people around them to discuss. Not only that, the research result obtained cannot be generalized to all the universities in Indonesia because they are limited. The next slide contains hypotheses in the article. The first hypothesis contains research by Sambiao, Hernandez Mogolon, and Rodriguez demonstrates that the market orientation strategy used by the hotel industry in Portugal has a positive impact. Hypothesis 2 that contains of the study makes a case that PT performance will be impacted by the degree to which a global market orientation strategy is implemented and the degree to which intellectual capital readiness is required to support strategy execution. The third hypothesis suggests the innovation is necessary of higher education and that PT's performance will improve the more global market orientation strategies on global market. The last hypothesis is contents of research argues that the wider implementation of the global market orientation strategies, the more important the role of intellectual capital readiness in strategy implementation. The next slides contain the research methods in the article. Data from respondents that gathered by the via online model. Trials on 35 response in the city of Surabaya that conducted prior of the to being widely available. The last slides contains a concept image in the research article. The study employs a multimedia methodology structural. The four construct for make up the concept of this research. The four constructs the make up to the concept of this research are intellectual capital readiness, open innovation, and global market orientation strategy. That's all the presentation I delivered. More or less, please forgive me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.